Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here, StarClicks. Okay, so maybe you came across this website from a friend or social media. You're on the site, and it basically says, listen, you can make money just by clicking around on this website, and you can transfer it to PayPal, Western Union, a bank transfer, and you're wondering, is this site legit? Okay, how does this site work? Is it real? And the most important question is how much money can you really make? Okay, now I've reviewed hundreds of websites, programs, business opportunities online. Some are good, some are bad, some are really just straight up scams. So let's take a look at StarClicks and what this website is really about. Okay, StarClicks is known as a PTC website, pay to click. All right, and basically all you do is you can come up and you can sign up for free. All right. And you can be based pretty much anywhere in the world. You are going to be a publisher, all right, if you want to just make money. And you would sign up, and they would ask for your name, your username, your password, your date of birth, where do you live, that sort of thing. And that's pretty much it. And what happens after you sign up is they're just going to give you a whole list of different ads that you can click on. They're kind of like little banner ads, text ads, right? And every time you click a text ad, you have to wait for it to load. And for every text ad that you click, you make 1 cent, 1 US cent. Okay, so you're not earning that much money, but it's real money. And the way that it works is there is a limited amount of ads that you can click on every single day, but you are clicking on ads, and you might click on hundreds of ads. And if you click hundreds of ads, you're able to make, for example, $1, right? Because 100 clicks is 100 cents, and 100 cents is $1. All right. Now, if you sign up with a free account, they will limit you on how much you can actually make per day. All right, and it's less than $1 that you can earn per day with a free account. But they can upgrade you as well. All right, there's a gold package and there's a platinum package, which you will see when you actually log in. The gold package is $29 and the platinum package is $49. All right. Now the thing is that if you're on a free account, so if you sign in for free and you start clicking on ads, the threshold that you must hit in order for you to withdraw your money on PayPal is $50. It's 50 US dollars. Okay. Now that is a very, very high threshold. That means that if you're clicking a few thousand times in a week, and you've only made $5 or $6, you can't withdraw your money. Okay, you can only withdraw your money when you hit $50 worth of clicks, if that makes sense, and that's going to take you months. It will literally take you months. Okay, so the reason why they have the upgrades is because they want you to be able to pay them a little bit of money so that you can withdraw your money anytime. So if you get the gold or platinum level, you can withdraw your money at any time. So even if you have $2 worth of funds, you can withdraw that. Okay, so that's the incentive for you to upgrade. So if you decide to have a free account, it will be very, very difficult for you to get to $50 because you're only making 1 cent per click that you click on an ads. When you upgrade, you make a little bit more, 1 cent to 2 cents per click, right? And you can withdraw at any time. So it depends on who you are. It is worth upgrading, but you have to understand that this type of website is not designed to make you rich. In fact, they don't advertise it to be a site that makes you rich. It's just a website that allows you to click on ads. And whenever you click on ads, and you can make a little bit of money because they have a whole bunch of advertisers advertising on their website, and so you can leverage off that. But it's not retirement money. You're not going to become a millionaire. You can't buy lots of great things with the amount of money that they're giving you because it's very, very small amounts. You have to spend hours and hours and hours on this website in order for you to just make $1 or $2. But again, you can't withdraw that unless you upgrade to gold or platinum level. Okay, so overall as a website, it's okay. I mean, StarClicks is a PTC website. There are many PTC websites. They're all designed very similarly. They all pay you roughly about 1 cent per click. In fact, most PTC websites don't even pay you 1 cent per click. Most pay you 1/10 of 1 cent. Okay, so 0.001 cent per click, which is very, very little. So StarClicks actually just does pay a little bit more. All right, but look, you're not going to get rich with this website. So please understand what it's designed to be for, and as long as you understand that, then that's okay. Let me show you a better way to make money. Okay, I'm going to show you. So this is the first way, StarClicks, because obviously you're here to find out about whether this is a real website. There's a better way to earn. Okay, and I'm just going to show you this in a minute. This is a website that I use to kind of find out which are the better PTC websites and survey websites. So if you come to surveypolice.com, They've got a whole list of top-rated online surveys, and they have a top list of GPT websites, get paid to do something, right? Now, online surveys is pretty self-explanatory. You come to these websites, you become a member of the websites, and these are all legit, by the way, yeah? So Opini surveys, Univox surveys, you sign up and they will send you a survey roughly about once a week or once every few weeks, all right? Now, every survey you fill in, you will earn between 50 cents and $2 per survey. So again, it's not that much, but it's way more than making 1 cent per click, if that makes sense, okay? So you can check out surveys, and that's a way to make money, but there is a threshold of $10, all right? So you have to fill out at least 5 to 10 surveys before you can withdraw your money, and that might take a while, because if they are only sending you one survey per week or one survey every few weeks, think about that. That will take you a few months before you hit a threshold of $10. So it's still pretty slow, but it is real money without any skill set. The GPT websites are slightly different. These are top rated get to paid websites like Prize Rebel and Swagbucks. These are very popular websites. You know, they've paid $22,650,000,000 in real money to their members, but it's very similar to StarClicks, where you're doing all sorts of different things like watching ads, downloading offers, but you only get paid 1 to 2 cents per click. So it does still take a lot of time for you to add up enough money for you to withdraw it, if that makes sense. But they are legitimate, okay? So these two methods right here, StarClicks and online surveys and GPT sites, are ways that you can start making money with zero skill set. That means you don't need to learn anything. You just come online, you create a website, you create a username, an account on these websites, and you can just start clicking around and you can start making money. But the caveat is that you're not going to make much money because it requires zero skills. Clicking around, downloading offers, watching ads is a zero skill game, if that makes sense, which is why they can't pay you that much money, all right? But let me show you a way where you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, but this is a high paying skill set, okay? So this is one of the websites, this is one of the products I promote. You can see this is a real website, right? Because I can scroll. This is not a screenshot, okay? And basically this is an online training program. So this teaches people how to market products online, and I resell this program as an affiliate, and I've made $98,161.72. Okay, pretty cool, right? So all I'm doing is I'm finding a group of people online that have a problem that they're trying to solve. I find a product that matches that problem and helps them to solve the problem. I connect them together. They buy the product and I make a commission. And from this one program, I've made almost 100,000 US dollars. Think about that. Just with this one program, I'm already earning more than most people will ever earn on a monthly basis in their lifetime, okay? So it's very, very powerful. Now, this is one program. I sell multiples of this program. Imagine if you're selling 5 of these or 10 of these, right? That's a lot of money. Now, this is a high experience or high skill set game. Okay, so you have to learn how to do this. You have to learn how to find the group of people. You have to find the products that work for them, and you have to learn how to connect them together. It's called the connector model, right? It's not difficult, but it's a high skill set compared to StarClicks, where this is zero skill set, and surveys and GPT sites where this is also zero skill set, which is why you earn very, very little money with surveys, GPT sites, and PTC sites, all right? But if you want to learn how to do this, then I would love to teach you how to do that. I've got a free workshop that you can check out. All you need to do is click the link directly below this video in the description box, register for that workshop, all right? And on the next page after that, go through the workshop, check your email as well, because sometimes the registration ends up in spam, okay? And really take the information in, okay? Because it depends on who you are. If you have a lot of time and you don't mind making 1 cent per click, and it's gonna take you hours and hours and hours before you earn, anywhere close to $5 or $10, then you can check out websites like StarClicks and you can check out Survey Police. But if you wanna earn hundreds, thousands, hundreds of thousands, this is real life-changing income, then I welcome you to jump on the workshop and really learn this skill set, because this is a high income skill set, and it can really literally change the rest of your life if you want. So it really depends on what your goals are, all right? But I hope you enjoyed this review of StarClicks. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you on the workshop. Take care and all the best.